Hi my friend, today we're gonna do, this is clay, we're gonna do a volcano out of clay. So I have a big box of clay. I think we need more than one box, maybe a box and a half. And I took a piece of the clay and I'm gonna press it and play with it and spread it on this surface. It's a cake holder surface. Okay? So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna press the clay and try to cover the whole surface. But I'm not gonna videotape all the time because you will be sitting and waiting for me and say, is it done, Mr. S? Is it done, Mr. S? When it will be done, Mr. S? So instead of you waiting for me, I will make few clips, small clips, and I'll join them together. Okay, for now I will be spreading the clay through all the surface. Okay, friends? See you in a few minutes. Okay, friends, look, it's almost all covered. I still have a small part to finish. I'll do it now. And you see, it takes long to do, but not that long. You will enjoy it. I love to work with clay, with my hand. So this is all covered. Okay, you see? So now I'm gonna bring a jar and I put it in the middle. That's too big. You can do small. You don't have to do a big volcano. This volcano, we're gonna leave it at the classroom for the dinosaur and to do maybe an experiment on it in our classroom next year. But you can do a small volcano, a small jar. You bring a small jar and you put it in the middle. It doesn't have to be a big jar. Okay, it will be easier and faster to do, and you don't need that much clay to do it. So I'll put the jar in the middle and try to squeeze it in. Like that. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle a little bit. And all around the jar and all the surface, I try with my fingers to make it look a little bit rugged. I mean, not smooth, because that's how things are. Okay. And then I take a piece of clay and make it like a snake all around, like that. You know, you like to do this like you do in the Play-Doh, and put it around the jar and press it on it and let it all go. And I'm gonna keep doing this, going up, 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 and add more. Okay. So I'm doing another one. I know you all know how to do long snake, like worm kind. And you keep putting it all around the jar. Okay, we'll come back. I'll come back and video more, okay? Okay, friend, I'm still doing the long worms or snakes and putting it all around it. I'm gonna keep doing this. Keep doing this till I reach the top, and then I'll smooth it all around it. Okay, I'll come back so you don't have to wait a long time. Okay, friends, I'm still building the mountain around the jar. Okay, so I'm gonna add at the bottom. I don't know if you can see clearly. Maybe like this, you can see better. So I'm still adding at the base and then I'll make it like this, coming this way. But the last one on the edge of the jar, on the rim of the jar, look what we're gonna do. You know, this is to inspire you to work with clay. You can do the mountain the way you wanted to do it. But those ideas to put a jar in the middle so you can form, so the volcano can erupt, you need a jar in the middle, and you build your mountain around it. So the last one, the last circle on the rim, you need to wrap it, let it come down a little bit to hide the jar. But you don't close the jar. Okay, let me show you. You keep it open like that. Okay. Okay, so I covered the jar, and now I'm gonna try to shape the mountain the way I think the mountain should be, the volcano. So I'm gonna put more on the side, here. Let it come down. Okay. Again, this is not to tell you exactly how to do it, but for you to be inspired and you can it's fun to work with clay. So I'm gonna keep adding in at the base of the volcano to make it look like coming down like that, and then I'll show it to you. Okay, so you don't have to wait. Okay, friend, I'm still working on it. It's looking a little bit more like a mountain, like a volcano. But I'm gonna still add. And try to shape it the way it should be. Okay. You see? So fun to work with clay. Sorry. Okay, I'll come back. Look, it's looking more and more like a volcano. You know, that's the first time I do that. So, but we can always experiment and try to do it. Even if it doesn't look exactly like that, but it will be your volcano, your way of doing things. So it's fun to work with clay. Okay, you see, it's shaping like a mountain. The base should be wider and get smaller, thin, to the top here. Okay. So I'm gonna keep still working on it to make it look more and more like a mountain, and also I will show you how do we do the lava, that it will look like lava coming down. So I'll make small, thinner snake or ball. Okay, like that. And they will be coming down from here. I can add to it. And so this is the lava coming down. I'll do 3, 4 all around the volcano coming down. So I'll make a wall. But I will still be working on the shape of the mountain. Okay, let me show you. Hopefully it's look good. Okay. Let me see. Friend, look how it's looking now. I didn't put all the lava. I'm gonna put all lava around it, and this will be where you see the jar. and where the lava is gonna come out. And this is all around it like that. Okay. I will still be working on it. Okay, and I will show you after. Okay, I'm putting more lava all around the volcano. And the lava will be coming down, 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 down. It's hard to make you see that. And I'll take another one. So I put maybe four lava coming down from the mouth of the volcano. Okay. We still have to work on it also. So that's the volcano. I will work, make it have more shape, and then I'll let it dry, and then we're gonna color it. Okay. You see, friends, I think that should be enough. It didn't take me that long, so you can do this at home also easily if your mom and dad are willing. So now I'm gonna let it dry. I put some of the lava coming down on four. It looks a little bit like a mountain, right? Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry and then we'll color it together. Okay? Hi, my friend. Okay, today I'm using the computer as a camera. Okay, so the volcano is drying up, but I'm gonna start putting the colors to make it look like a erupting volcano with all the different colors. So I will start with orange, a bright color, orange. And I start from the top. Okay. Because the lava color, when just coming out from the mouth of the volcano, usually it's a bright color. Okay. Okay. Do it all over. And then I'm gonna do a darker orange. To make it darker, the orange, I'll add rouge to it, red. So I had this orange, the brighter one, and then I added more rouge to it, more red, and it became darker. I'm gonna blend it with the lighter orange. And you can always go back and add here and there. It's fun to do the volcano. I'm so happy to do it. When we go back next year, we'll do a lot of work with the clay also. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video now, keep going, and then I'll start it again. Okay, I'm still blending the lighter orange with the darker orange. And we're gonna go darker till we go to the base. Because the lava will start cooling down when it reaches to the bottom and it becomes darker. when it's hot, full of flames, it's brighter color, the lighter orange. So I'm blending the darker orange with the lighter orange. And next I'm gonna put rouge, red, as a darker color from this. Okay, now we have light orange, darker orange, and now rouge. Okay, so this is rouge. Put it to the base. Also, I try to blend it with the orange. And next year we'll do one at the school also. We'll do it all together. Okay. I'll keep going rouge to the base, and after I put noir, black, dark in the bottom. So I'm gonna keep going through with the rouge, and then I'll put the video again. Okay, now I finished the rouge to the base, and now I'm gonna do some noir, but I think the noir will be too dark, so I'm gonna put some marron brown with it. Let's see how it will be. To look more grayish. So this is a noir. I put some maroon with it. I'm gonna add more maroon. See, it's looking like a volcano, no? Okay. Now in the base, I'm gonna put noir. Cover it all with noir. Okay, so I'm gonna cover all this in noir, and I'll put the video again. Okay, so you don't have to wait. Okay, I filled noir the base, but it's too. I want to blend the color, the noir and the rouge, so I'm putting more rouge. And I'm gonna blend them at the base a little bit. So the noir is the burn, the color of sharp things, like grayish black. And there's lava coming down. Let's put a little bit more rouge. Okay. And I will put some jaune and orange. This is for the brightest color. So I'm adding orange, jaune to the orange to make it even brighter. So if you have orange and you add rouge, make it darker. If you have orange and you add jaune, make it brighter. So now this is the brightest one I'm gonna put on top, on the rim of the jar, from inside and out, and try to mix it. Remember we did the lava coming down. Okay, and also we should put like the lava the lava when the volcano erupts, there's a lot of lava that goes everywhere. It splashes the whole area. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna splash some bright lava. So I mixed orange and jaune because we want it to be bright. So splash it, splash. Yeah. Here, here. See, this is a volcano splashing the lava everywhere. And add more here for the jaune, the brightest color. And this is where the lava come down. Okay, I will still work a little bit on it to make it more blending together the color, and when it dries out we'll do the volcano erupting. Okay, so we have to wait till it dries up. See, it didn't take much. It's easy to do. We can do it in the classroom, and you can do it at home if it's okay with your parents, but choose a smaller volcano.